morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing a pair of wings that I bought, wing extensions that I bought for my plow. Check it out. There's one right there and the other one's right there. I ended up buying these a couple weeks ago and we never pretty much finished installing them because due to the winter storms. But I already installed one side on it. That same day I got the wings, I think. We installed this side on it. So this side is already set. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna start installing the next side. That way I can start using these babies. And don't mind the rain, guys. It just started raining a little bit right now. I got my raincoat, so I'm chilling. But check it out, guys. This is where the wings slide in through. And then this is the pin that holds the wing from the top part. So everything's all set and done on this side. I think I'm gonna buy some new ones with new plow markers. This is pretty much a used set. I bought it used because I didn't want to go spend, $1,300 on a brand new one. I didn't feel like it was reasonable for me to do that. So I went ahead and got on the Facebook market and found a used pair for under half the price of what a brand new one cost. So, and they seem to be in pretty good condition, in my opinion. This one's a little more beat up, but it looks good. And then this one is pretty good condition. I think this is the one in better condition. So this one's in better condition than that one, for sure. But they're both pretty good, and they have a lot of life left in them, I guess you could say. But you guys can see all the tools we have here. The bolts right there. I did have to buy some of the hardware, not all of it. Like I had to put a new pin in that one. I had to buy one of these. I had to pretty much buy this one. Bought this one, just one. And then I bought the hardware, which was all these bolts, brand new bolts and everything. So this shouldn't be an issue for this plow. So I'll show you guys a little bit on how to do it. I'm gonna probably get the truck in here in a bit, but I just got here to my brother's property. So let's go ahead and get this going. Check it out, guys. We just finished up with the other wing. Like I told you guys, we had already had this one installed. I'm just gonna get it welded right here, boom, and then right here too, just so this doesn't move, because you're supposed to put another bolt in here. You're supposed to have 2 bolts. We only put 1, but since we're gonna get it welded, we don't really need that other bolt. But here it is, guys. It's now a 9'6" plow, so 9 feet with 6 inches. Looks super nice, big now. And then all I had to do was install this pin right here. Some of the hardware we used, well, not really. We only used this bolt. I think we only used 1 bolt out of all the hardware. We only reused 1 bolt. So that's pretty much it. All you gotta really do is connect these right here. Connect it from the inside. You guys can see connected on the inside. And then when you put this, we put this bolt first, the one down here first, and then we put these 2. They were loose, and then we tightened them. And after these were done, we pre-drilled this one and then got this one tight. So we did 1, 2, 3. That's how we did this one. I can't really remember how we did this one because this was a couple weeks ago, but it's part of the same process. But they're on now, and I'm about to see if I can try them out here in a bit. So I'll show you guys how it looks now here in a bit. So we're gonna try for the first time right now. Oh, and then I also got this fixed right there. The pin right there. I got that piece welded right there. Now that my plow can stand comfortably. And like you guys saw in the other video, I also got this fixed right here. Now I'm just gonna wait on getting these fixed. So upgrading this plow little by little. Yeah, I started recording. What's up, guys? So we actually had a little winter storm. We only had about, I think in a whole 24 hours we had like 2 inches barely, or like an inch and a half. But I was just here. I came like a couple hours ago. I went to come check out the properties and stuff, and I plowed the commercial lots right now. I'm just gonna show you guys the plow, and I think it did pretty good. Remember how I told you guys, I know we got the new wings on there, and I just need to do some little rigging with it. I don't know, I gotta do some research and see what I can do to tweak some stuff out. There's some things that I don't know if it should be like that or not. I've never ran wings on a plow, so I don't know how that works. So I'm gonna do some more research on that and then see how I can better it. The quality, I mean, it's pretty good. Let me show you guys. You guys can tell I salted all the entrances already. Wherever you see that's where I pretty much salted. My brother's gonna be here in a couple hours to salt the whole parking lot. He has a big salter on his truck, but it's not too bad. If you guys, you guys can tell. You know, I did it pretty quick with the wings on it now. But I think the only thing that's kind of like messing me up is this right here, the little gap that's there. I don't know if I have to cut this lower to match my my blade or what, but I think that's what I'm gonna have to be doing. So I might have to cut some of this down, or maybe with the time, with me rubbing it over time, it'll catch up to its to the blades thickness or whatnot. But hopefully that does the trick, because it kind of, when I go at some angles, it kind of bounces a little bit. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to be doing or not, but other than that, I mean, it worked pretty good. I was able to get the parking lot done fairly quickly. So this helped out a lot for sure. I just went to go see some other properties right now, but I just came back right now just to finish this video because I'm heading home now, since there wasn't much snow in my other properties. This is the only property that I plow, to be honest. I'm gonna do separate videos for all my stuff that I get fixed on this plow and whatnot, and then at the end I'm gonna make one solid video of my whole setup and how I have my setup, how I have it set up and everything, so you guys can see how my setup works pretty much.
what's up, Jake? Guys, check it out. That was a test pass with the wings you guys saw. I think the wings work pretty good. I think I just gotta bring them up a little bit, but for the most part, they're pretty good. Look, show around the driveway. Yeah, walk around. Show them how it feels. I think it looks pretty good, guys. You gotta take care of the small things right here. Last property of the day, guys.
So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. I hope it was educational for you guys, in case you guys were like iffy about the wings and whatnot. If I do end up figuring out how to make the plow better, I will definitely be updating a video on that. But as of now, it runs good. I mean, I have no issues with it. It ran pretty good. Just some little minor things that I'm gonna do some more research and see if I can get that fixed. And I'm obviously gonna do some more upgrades to this plow, which you guys are going to be seeing if you guys stay tuned. But that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.